Hello YouTube. I recently bought an Italian-made tool and cutter grinder, and this is the table. I've already ground the top plate for turning tapers, and I'm gonna grind this rather heavily since there's quite a lot of abuse marks, as you can see here and here, and I'll redo the engraving. That won't be an issue. Another rather nice thing, these small claws, it's a design the guy that owns the surface grinder made, and 3 of them on each side is more than sufficient to hold this in place, even though it's only contacting here and here. Yeah, I'll take another video when I'm done grinding. Alright, a few hours later, let's see. There's a few things left, and the engraving is gone. But at least these I think I'll get rid of by making a chamfer on both sides actually, and it will be less prone to damage as well. And I also ground the sides. I will. Yeah, as you can see.